Saving money feels safe. It gives a sense of security, a cushion for emergencies, a number in your bank account that reassures you. But here's the truth. Saving alone is rarely enough to build real wealth. Many people diligently save month after month, yet years pass without significant financial growth. The problem is not discipline, it's strategy. Saving without investing, without growth, without a plan, keeps your money stagnant, and over time, inflation quietly erodes its value. Think about it. $100 saved today will have less purchasing power in the future if it simply sits in a regular account. Inflation, rising costs, and missed opportunities quietly eat away at the value of money. Saving alone provides security, yes, but it does not provide freedom, growth, or independence. Relying solely on saving creates a false sense of progress, making people believe they are building wealth when they are only treading water. The real danger of focusing only on saving is complacency. People feel comfortable seeing numbers in their accounts, but those numbers are often illusions of stability. True financial growth requires not just holding money, but putting it to work. Money that works for you multiplies, creates options, and eventually frees you from the daily struggle of living paycheck to paycheck. Another challenge is mindset. Saving money requires patience, yes, but it also requires a long-term vision. Without combining saving with strategic investing and financial planning, even disciplined savers often find themselves unable to meet major life goals, such as buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Saving alone cannot overcome the power of time and compounding. It is a first step, not the destination. Emotions also play a role. People often save for safety, not growth, and fear taking risks with money. This cautious approach feels comfortable but limits opportunities. Avoiding risk is natural, but in finance, measured risk is essential. The goal is not reckless investing, but intentional growth. By combining saving with smart strategies, you harness both security and opportunity, the two pillars of true wealth. Finally, saving alone teaches an incomplete lesson. It emphasizes restriction over creation, survival over empowerment, and accumulation over growth. While saving is a habit worth cultivating, it must be paired with strategies that make money work for you. Only then does security transform into freedom, fear transform into confidence, and simple numbers transform into lasting wealth. Saving money is the foundation of financial security, but it is only the first step. To truly grow wealth, saving must be paired with strategy, action, and intelligent decisions. The first principle is this: money must work for you, not just sit idle. Simply accumulating cash in a bank account provides safety, but it does not create freedom. The real power lies in putting your savings to work in ways that generate growth, income, and long-term stability. One of the simplest strategies is to allocate a portion of your savings toward investments. These investments do not have to be complicated. Beginner-friendly options like ETFs, index funds, fractional shares, or micro-investing platforms allow your money to grow over time. Even small, consistent contributions create exponential results thanks to compound growth. Investing amplifies the value of your savings, transforming them from static security into a dynamic tool for financial freedom. Another strategy is creating multiple income streams. Relying solely on one source of income limits your financial potential. Side hustles, freelancing, or passive income sources complement your savings and investments. Each extra stream of income allows you to save more, invest more, and take calculated risks without jeopardizing your basic security. The combination of saving, investing, and earning beyond your primary job is the true path toward long-term wealth. Budgeting plays a crucial role as well. Without control over spending, even high earners struggle to grow wealth. A practical, flexible budget ensures that your savings and investments are consistent and intentional. The goal is not restriction but clarity, knowing exactly where your money goes and ensuring it aligns with your goals. When your budget and savings work in tandem with growth strategies, every dollar moves with purpose. Education is also a hidden multiplier. Learning about money management, investing, and wealth-building strategies enhances the effectiveness of your savings. Each concept you understand allows you to make smarter choices, avoid costly mistakes, and take advantage of opportunities others might miss. Knowledge converts saving from a passive habit into an active strategy that accelerates growth and builds confidence. Emotions often interfere with financial progress. Fear, doubt, or impatience may cause people to hoard money, miss opportunities, or spend impulsively. Pairing savings with disciplined strategies teaches emotional control. You learn to make decisions based on logic and long-term vision rather than short-term emotions. This emotional mastery is a hidden asset that compounds along with your money. Finally, the combination of saving, investing, and smart financial habits creates freedom. Saving alone buys security, but combining it with growth and strategy creates options. It allows you to pursue dreams, weather crises, and live intentionally rather than reactively. Over time, the synergy between these elements transforms ordinary financial habits into extraordinary wealth, giving you control, confidence, and peace of mind that saving alone could never provide. The ultimate truth about money is that saving alone only secures the present. True financial independence comes when saving is combined with strategy, action, and mindset. The money you save today is the seed, but without nurturing, it remains stagnant. Growth comes from intentional choices. Investing, building multiple income streams, and continuously improving your financial literacy. The sooner you integrate these habits, the sooner your savings transform into real freedom. One of the most powerful principles is compounding time and action. Every dollar invested or wisely deployed grows quietly in the background, multiplying in ways that often feel invisible at first. Beginners may feel their efforts are small, but over months and years, these tiny, consistent steps create extraordinary results. Even a modest monthly investment turns into a significant nest egg decades later, teaching the invaluable lesson that patience and consistency always outweigh impulsive decisions. Another critical factor is mindset transformation. Saving money gives you control over your present, but it does not teach your mind to think like a wealth builder. When you combine saving with investing, budgeting, and intelligent risk-taking, your mindset evolves. You begin to see money as a tool, not something to hoard or fear, but something to direct purposefully toward your goals. This psychological shift is as valuable as the financial growth itself. It trains discipline, patience, and foresight, the invisible forces behind lasting wealth. Diversification is another essential lesson. Saving money in one place may feel safe, but spreading resources across multiple avenues, savings accounts, low-risk investments, retirement accounts, and side ventures, increases security while enhancing potential growth. This approach reduces fear, strengthens confidence, and prepares you for unexpected challenges. It teaches that true financial freedom is not just about accumulation, but about balance and strategy. Emotional control remains the silent driver of success. Fear, doubt, and impatience often prevent people from moving beyond saving. They watch opportunities pass because they are unwilling to take measured risks or leave their comfort zones. But combining disciplined saving with strategic growth allows you to take risks without anxiety. Your foundation is solid, your mindset is prepared, and your actions are deliberate. Over time, this practice compounds, creating both financial and emotional resilience. Long-term wealth also comes from building habits that align with your goals. Automatic saving, investing consistently, budgeting, and monitoring progress are habits that reinforce each other. Each habit strengthens your financial identity, the belief that you are someone who grows wealth intentionally, not by chance. Small daily or monthly actions, repeated consistently, create extraordinary results. The compounding effect of these habits is far more powerful than any short-term gain or impulsive decision. Finally, combining saving with strategic action creates true freedom, the freedom to live intentionally, to pursue opportunities, and to respond to life without stress. Money stops being a source of worry and becomes a tool for empowerment. You are no longer reacting to circumstances, but proactively designing your future. Saving money is the first step, but integrating it with growth strategies transforms your financial life into a journey of abundance, security, and long-term success. This is Lessons of Wisdom, where money, mindset, and wealth are explained simply, honestly, and without illusions. Save wisely, invest intentionally, build habits that compound. And remember, true financial freedom is not the balance in your account today. It is the system, mindset, and strategy you cultivate that grows quietly to support your dreams tomorrow.